Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use magnesium glycinate. First, understand that magnesium glycinate is a chelated form, meaning it's bound to the amino acid glycine. This binding significantly enhances its absorption and bioavailability, making it a very effective supplement. It's particularly known for its calming properties, which can aid in relaxation and improve sleep quality. When considering dosage, most adults find between 200 and 400 milligrams of elemental magnesium per day to be beneficial. Always start with a lower dose and gradually increase it to assess your body's response. This form is excellent for promoting relaxation, easing muscle tension, and supporting overall nervous system health without causing digestive issues often associated with other magnesium types. For optimal results, many people prefer taking magnesium glycinate in the evening, about 1 to 2 hours before bedtime. This timing can significantly enhance its calming effects, helping you unwind and prepare for restful sleep. You can take it with or without food. However, some find taking it with a light snack helps prevent any minor stomach discomfort. While magnesium glycinate is generally well tolerated, it's always wise to consult your doctor before adding any new supplement to your routine, especially if you have existing health conditions or are taking other medications. Pay attention to how your body responds. Also, for those who love to read, check the description below for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals. It's perfect for enjoying your favorite books anywhere.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.